Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got something pretty cool here with me for a quick review. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying my content. So what do we have here? You probably guessed by the title. This is a Holt Bladeworks Specter V4 Prestige. And this is going to be also like a quick unboxing. This guy comes with a couple of stickers, Holt Bladeworks business card. You've got your Holt Bladeworks adjustable detent system, which is 0.035 hex wrench, which is absolutely fantastic. It looks like this, and it's gonna be needed if you wanna adjust your detent from soft to strong. So it's really cool that they include that with your purchase. And of course you're gonna have like your Selinco card, which is working with the near field communication technology. So you just put it close to your phone and it's gonna pop up all the certificate regarding concerning your blade, and then you have a nice cutout foam right over here, and then you have this awesome blade. Look at that, guys. This is the Holt Bladeworks Specter V4 Prestige in blue carbon fiber scales. It's fantastic. This guy is around 8-inch long with a 3.5-inch long blade, and I would say 4.4-inch long handle. So really cool size. It's a liner lock. This guy is employing carbon fiber scales, and that's why the name is Prestige, because Prestige involves fancy materials, fancier than the refined version, and this is just one of these Prestige. This has some pretty cool bent starburst milling pattern. You've got a very nice milling going on, nice titanium backspacer with some geared pattern as well. You have stainless steel liners on the inside, just on the lock side, nothing going on the show side. There's no skeletonization on the inside. You're gonna notice that this is M390 steel with a mirror washed finish, which is just beautiful. It's just really nice, guys. The sound this guy makes, it's a classic Specter sound. Really good. Very light. This guy is gonna be 3 ounces in your pocket. Super light. The grip is just fantastic, zero hot spot. It feels like absolutely super solid in the hand. Very good, lightweight, but at the same time sturdy. It's a looker, it's gorgeous, it's very expensive because you're not going to be able to find one because it has been discontinued. But guys, just look at the detail on these scales, like super nice, really cool. And it's the Holt Bladeworks Specter V4 Prestige. Alright guys, there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, but hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.